Konnichiwa. Hello, my name is Andy, and welcome to my Katakana crash course. In this course, you'll learn how to read all 46 katakana characters and their variations. Katakana is one of the 3 types of characters in the Japanese writing system. Most people start by learning hiragana, katakana, then kanji, so I recommend you have a solid understanding of hiragana before starting this course. Katakana follows the same pronunciation pattern as hiragana, and it follows most of the same rules. However, we use katakana for words that originated from other languages. For example, pizza, which means pizza, basu, which means bus, and necklace, which means necklace. These words are often referred to as loanwords. You'll also see foreign names and places written in katakana, like Tomu for Tom, Paris for Paris, and Canada for Canada. Occasionally, you may see katakana used to emphasize words in a sentence, similar to the way we would bold or italicize words in English. Lastly, you may see Japanese words with very difficult kanji written in katakana. For this reason, you'll often see animals and insects written in katakana. For example, kirin and hae. Here's a quick read-through of each katakana character. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. Da, di, du, de, do. Wa, o, n. Believe it or not, the Japanese language is full of loanwords that are easy to memorize. Over the next several lessons, we'll learn each individual character and practice reading words written in katakana. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next lesson.